Rahim, lesson 18. The key concept is saying no. Again, this is further extension of habit 3 that put first things first. There are situations in life where you have to say no first to yourself also. For example, just think of a situation in the morning where you have set an alarm and alarm just rings and you press the snooze button. One time, after 10 minutes, again you press the snooze button. After 10 minutes, again you push the snooze button, and then your mom is not happy with this thing because you are getting late from the school. Once you reach late to the school, everything is messed up. Maybe you have missed your breakfast and other things. So the first thing, if you have said no to yourself while pressing the snooze button and just stopped further sleeping, this will put you in control of yourself. So how would you feel if you are in control of yourself? That is the first step, is to conquer yourself. So here just write that what would be different if you start your day with a feeling of being in control. For example, you have just not pressed the snooze button, you are in time, at whatever time you have thought you are up at that time. Now have a partner talk. What can you do when you feel pressurized to do things you are unsure of? So there are situations in life, maybe there are some things which you do not want to do, but because you have a peer pressure and you are forced to do that thing just to look cool. So you should learn how to say no to these situations and put first thing first. Thank you. This is end of habit 3. Now we will have just a summary. Just the knowledge is that you have learned to spend time on the most important things. This means that you must know how to say no to the less important things. You should know how to prioritize things, and you should be disciplined to keep your discipline chart, or you should have the planner, or something where you should have your compass, that where you are leading to. Again, our perspective ring, see, do, get, whatever the way we see the word, it determines what we do, and what we determines what we do determines what we will get. So what kind of things will you do now? Just there is a space that will you do your homework after school first? Will you just go and start playing? If you do these things, what will you get? Just write these things, that if you are putting first thing first, what you will get. So we have completed the private victory part, comprising of 3 habits. The first habit is being proactive. The second is begin with the end in mind. And third is put first thing first. Thank you.